Hi students, welcome to Unit 5, Branding and Identity, CIS 133. This week we're going to continue on with the Brand Dynamics chapter. Chapters in the book are a little strange, and I know some of you are working with the version 5, and some of you are working with version 3. So just bear with me. I try to specify which pages. They kind of change from version to version, but barely, but by around 3 or 4 pages. So I think I mentioned that in last unit's um, overview video, but I'm just mentioning it again in case you missed that part. But some of the objectives we're going to be covering are aspects of brand licensing, which is in that chapter, the second half of the chapter, and then grasping the importance of certification and crisis communications. Also, understanding how you might fit into the fray. When you're understanding brands, you might best understand how you might want to run your company as a strong brand, or approach the branding of your company in a very in a different way than you probably could have imagined prior to understanding all the steps of the dynamic branding process. So the other thing is noticing several approaches in brand identity evolution, like how brands come alive and are evolving. So the videos that we watch aren't as exciting because licensing and crisis communications is there's a lot of legal stuff that are involved, and also stuff that's probably not as exciting or interesting, but it's part of the big brand process. And so here are some of the videos under resources that might help you better understand, and not only that, but just are very interesting resources and supports for what we're learning in this week's unit. So start out with the instructions, look at the videos, take the quiz, and then the forum, an event to remember. I'll let you enjoy that forum from the inside, respond to 2 people with thoughtful feedback, and hope this week is productive and engaging for you. See you in next week's virtual video.